Hey guys, I'm Kesha and I'm here with Beauty Bay and I'm going to be showing you 5 makeup hacks that will change your makeup game. Stay tuned for more. Usually, you might just pop on an eyeshadow without a base. But if you find your eyeshadows are a bit bland, you can put some white eyeliner as a base on your lid and it will make your eyeshadows pop. Your eyeshadow will never be the same again. Ever find it difficult to create a clean eyeliner and eyeshadow look? Well, tape will be your best friend. All you need to do is get some tape, pop it on the side of your eyes, and voila! Now all you have to do is put on your eyeshadow and eyeliner as usual. And there you go, the easiest eyeshadow and eyeliner application. You would usually do this before you apply your foundation, but if you don't, just make sure to blend where you pull the tape away. So if you're finding your pencil liner a bit dry and finding it really hard to get the pigment out, no fear. All you have to do is get a light or a candle, heat the tip, check that it's not too hot, and there you go. Easy peasy. So I'm just going to quickly show you the difference between a dry pencil and one that's been warmed. To get the most out of your satin lipsticks, I've got this simple trick. You can turn any lipstick matte. You put your lipstick on, and you get some translucent powder and pop it over the top. Now your lips are matte and will last longer throughout the day, and you can do this with any lipstick. We all know about setting spray to keep our makeup on longer. But if you're extra oily, I have a little hack for you. You can saturate your beauty blender with your holding spray and push it into the areas that you need it most. Now you have 10 times extra hold. So those are my 5 beauty hacks that I cannot live without. Comment below if you used any of these beauty hacks or if you have any of your own. And don't forget, if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to Beauty Bay.